there exists a very special blood group, so rare that only 43 people around the world have it. This video is created to raise awareness that individuals can save lives and improve the health of others by donating blood. Let us start with blood definition. Blood is slightly alkaline body fluid in humans and other animals that delivers necessary substances such as nutrients and oxygen to the cells and transport metabolic waste products away from those same cells. Blood is composed of cells suspended in liquid called plasma. Suspended in the plasma are three types of cells. Red blood cells carry oxygen, white blood cells fight infection, and platelets stop bleeding in injuries. On the surface of our red blood cells, we have up to 342 antigens, molecules capable of triggering the production of specialized proteins called antibodies. It is the presence or absence of particular antigens that determines someone's blood type. The most common ABO blood group system which we use involves two antigens and two antibodies found in human blood. The two antigens are antigen A and antigen B. The two antibodies are antibody A and antibody B. The antigens are present on the red blood cells and the antibodies in the serum. Regarding the antigen property of the blood, all human beings can be classified into four groups: those with antigen A, that is group A; those with antigen B, that is group B; those with both antigen A and B, that is group A and B; and those with neither antigen, that is group O. International Society of Blood Transfusion has recently recognized 33 blood group systems. Apart from ABO and research system, many other types of antigens have been noticed on the red cell membranes. The RH system, that is RH meaning rhesus, is the second most significant blood group system in human blood transfusion. The presence or absence of the Rh-D antigen is signified by the positive or negative sign, so that, for example, the A negative blood group type has antigen A but does not have the Rh-D antigen. Universal donor is O negative, which means a person with O negative blood group can donate blood to anyone. Universal recipient AB positive, which means a person with AB positive blood group can accept blood from anyone. Rh null, one of the rarest blood type on earth, has been called the golden blood. People with this blood type have a complete absence of any of the Rh antigen. Globally, A, B, AB and O are the most commonly found blood groups. However, this golden blood group is so rare blood group that only 43 people around the world have it. Similarly, Bombay blood group is also very rare blood type. This blood phenotype was first discovered in Bombay, now known as Mumbai in India, by Dr. Y. M. Bhende in 1952. It is mostly found in India subcontinent, India, Bangladesh, Pakistan and parts of Middle East such as Iran. Bombay blood group phenotype occurs in individuals who have inherited two recessive alleles of the H gene. That is, their genotype is recessive HH. This very rare phenotype is generally present in about 0.0004%, that is about 4% in 10 lakhs of the human population, though in some places such as Mumbai, formerly Bombay, locals can have occurrence in as much as 0.01%, that is 1 in 10,000 of inhabitants. Given that this condition is very rare, any person with this blood group who needs an urgent blood transfusion will probably be unable to get it, as no blood bank would have any in stock. Blood donation can help patients of all ages, including accident, cancer, burn victims, people undergoing heart surgery, organ transplantation. A person with good health and weight more than 50 kg and is 70 years or older can donate blood. When you donate blood, your body replaces the donated blood volume within next 48 hours and all RBCs are completely replaced within 4 to 8 weeks. A person can donate once every 3 months. But a person with illness such as cancer, cardiac disease, severe lung diseases, hepatitis B and C, HIV infection, AIDS or sexually transmitted diseases should not donate blood, as it can be dangerous to person donating as well as the receiving the blood. Every year on 14th June, countries around the world celebrate World Blood Donor Day. The theme of Blood Donation Day in 2020 is Save Blood, Save Lives. Blood is precious gift of life that anyone can give to another person. Give blood and make the world healthier place. Blood donation will cost you nothing, but it will save a life. Your little effort can give others second chance to live life. Thank you.